February 18, 2021. Perseverance became the first artificial object to land on Mars since the InSight Mars lander in 2018. These missions prepare humanity for future space exploration. In your lifetime, we will have manned missions to Mars. There are challenges of living in space, such as using existing resources, options for disposing of trash, and how to build parts away from home. To lighten the load and reduce costs, NASA has a program to manufacture the necessary parts in space. 3D printing. You can make designs at home the same way engineers would make parts for space travel. Tinkercad is a free online 3D modeling program that runs in a web browser. Watch this. From the very first click, you're making stuff. A thing, a mess, anything you want. The best part is, Tinkercad helps you take your design from your computer into the real world by showing you how to 3D print them. Laser cut, build them with bricks, or make things light up and spin. Why? Because with Tinkercad you can, and because keeping things flat is boring. Sign up for Tinkercad now. It's free and works with any computer with an internet connection.
Not a blast!